Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Trying to do a hard thing today. It's windy as hell. I was going to go thready fishing, but didn't want to get bashed to death over there with a big westerly all day, so it's not worth it. So trying to do a hard thing today, land-based, a decent fish, land-based, a thready or a barra or a mulloway or some real fish off the shore, which you'd think would be easy in Broome, but because of the tides you got a very small window. So today we got like a 9.6 metre tide. I'm just going to fish like an hour before, maybe a couple hours after. I can see some bait and fish kicking around the shallows there. Take the net down. You can see I got all my crap here. Cart all my crap down. You never know what you're going to need, so all you broomies will know where I am. So let me know. Send me a comment if you've got good fish here before. I have caught two good threadies here, an 80 and a 90, and a few little blue nose in the past, but I probably haven't fished here for about 5 or 6 years, so it should be interesting. And looks like the wind's in our favour. It's about the only spot in Broome where it's not choppy. Alright. How beautiful is it? Some colours, water's still a bit of a funny colour from the rain, but it's getting better. Alright, I'm out. Cheers, we'll see you down there. Get serious now. I got some managed to get some mullet off the shore. Not bad size ones either. A few barra baits there, big threadies. Chuck them in the bucket. Now I've got 7 mullet. That'll probably do me. Ty's going to chase me out first. In there. Look at all the potty mullet. Good luck catching them. Barra like real mullet better than the potties anyways. You run around all day after one of them. Feed her some oysters. Some nice size oysters there. Don't know where they're getting them from. Alright, I'm going to sit in the shade for a minute. These fellas have speared a big stingray and it took one of their spears, so they're searching around for it now. But yeah, he nailed it. You can see it shaking around and everything. See if these fellas can find it. It's a big one. Everybody shook the bloody spear out of his hand. It was that big. Don't worry about the huff and puff. I had to run about 100 metres down to my rod. So, this is where don't smoke cigarettes if you're 20 kids, then you might be able to breathe after you run 100 metres. It's pretty big. Can't fucking breathe. A little bit sharky. Stingray. Hey guys, a little shout out to our little legend family, Mum and Dad Cara and Russell, or Russ, and kids Alex, Ben and Cass. Thanks for watching all my videos guys and being all supporters of Ocean Addict here in Broome. Thank you very much. We'll see you guys in town. I don't know what it is, heavy. Feeling like a big stingray. Hopefully I'm wrong. Big shark. There we go, shark wrangling. Yourself when you're swimming at watch yourself when you're swimming at bloody Cable Beach, guys. You don't want to bloody stand on one of these. full monster. Look at that. Look how big it is. Try to get as much line back if I can without wanting to kill me. Drone buzzing me, having a good look. Still seeing me, he's coming over. He's taken off now, I think he might have seen me. Well guys, that's probably another episode. It was a bit sharky. Got bitten off once, and got seen one shark and got another big 2.5 meter black tip, and then got a massive, probably 50 kilo I reckon, have to be 45-50 kilo saw shark off its head. So yeah, that was something different, so I'll put that up. And I seen the local boys come down and got a couple of stingrays for lunch. I got a bit of footage of that, and losing their spears, and then having to go in and dive in and try to get the other ones out, but they managed to get it back. And fellas know what they're doing. So yeah, I just told them about my channel. I don't know if they're local Broome fellas, but he's going to go check it out and spread the news, so that's good. Woo! Yes! Big barra. That's not a fucking barra. Can't believe it. Yeah. It's absolutely shark. That was a big shark. Look at this. Got him. Big Portsmouth crab. Another good crab. Big muddies. Woo! Nice little red. Look at that. Oh yeah. Something biggie. Yeah. Big one. Go. Nice Freddy. First good blue bone. First little trout. The size of this one. Fuck yeah. Look at it. Look at that. Fucking sick. Woo! Hey guys, how we going? Thanks for clicking onto my videos. Any new subscribers? So if you're a fellow fishing addict like myself, you might enjoy a lot of my content. I've got about 65 long form content videos up. If you want to go and binge me, go binge the shit out of me if you want. If you're enjoying it, and if you're not liking it, put a dislike on there. Tell me what you don't like. And then I know not just the likes, getting lots of good feedback. So yeah guys, give me a comment, a like, subscribe. Subscribe's the key. Tell your mates, put it on your Facebook. But yeah, today we just got the old girl again back in Broome. Still pretty hot, a lot of rain around, so I'll sort of just stick around the Broome area. You can see the creek, so what I would do is on this tide, first of all, fish off this right hand side, because that's got most of the flow coming around the corner here, and the barra will be sitting up somewhere along this edge getting stuff funneling out of the creek. And then once the water starts to drop a bit more, move down, fish the normal area that everyone knows in Broome for the mid tide. And then I tend to stick away from, but go out in the open water when we get into the lower tides. Try to sit in the deepest spot you can, sit out the low. So that'll be my objective today. We'll see what happens, see how long it takes us to get bait. Sometimes it's too long to get bait, you don't get time to have a go here. I'll probably want to be there, like fishing there probably like now really. See how quick that's dropping off that bank there. So all those barra would have been pushed back into that gutter now. Barry, 55. 3 metre flatty. Baby Dewey. Oh. Got this big storm chasing me back to the boat ramp, but my problem is I can't actually get off the boat ramp yet because the water's got still on the ramp and there's about 1.5 foot of sand there that the Shire hasn't bothered to remove. I just chucked the anchor out and I've just gone head into it. There's a fucking storm. I couldn't get out because there was fucking sand on the boat ramp. This bad on the radar. Like a full-blown hurricane now. They're trying to get the fucking boat out of there. Oh, I can hear the phone ringing and I can hear messages coming through. That'll be my girlfriend shitting herself because she knows I'm out in this, so I can't get the phone out because it'll be drenched, so get out as soon as we can. Hey guys, well, I didn't have much choice. I just had to sit it out for like 25 minutes for this huge low / hurricane to pass over us. Probably the most wind we've had in Broome all wet season so far.